At Verdure here, we're really big on innovation and using technology to improve our production systems. And one of the machines that we've developed is this press that's behind me right here. It's a reconfigurable mould that we use to maintain the curvature of the boards when we glue all the different components together. And it allows us to offer custom surfboards in all different shapes and sizes. These presses are basically a conventional press, but instead of having a flat bottom, they've got a flat sheet that we can adjust the curve on. We take the CAD data that comes from our software that we use to design the boards, and we bring that into the machines via an iPad, send that data to the press, and it recreates the bottom curve of the board, and we use that platform to maintain the curve while we glue all the components together. Last year we rolled out a custom online order form, and it allows customers all around the world to basically go on and design their dream board. The idea behind the custom order form was to try and recreate the experience that customers have when they come into the shop. Because people can go on there and they can see what their board's going to look like, it gives them a lot more confidence in placing an order, and it's really increased our demand probably twofold. With the increase of demand in orders, we've really had to streamline our production systems and make sure that we can reach those production goals. Yeah, having reliable equipment and people who know how to use them has been really key in keeping up with the demand. The core of this board and all the boards that we currently made is petroleum-based polystyrene. It's blown locally, but it doesn't really meet the environmental criteria that we set ourselves for the production of our boards. And so we've started working with a company up in Rotorua called Foam, and they've developed a plant-based alternative which is made from cornstarch. And we're just in the sort of early stages now of developing the material and trying to make it the right density for the core of our boards, and then also figuring out the production process so that we can get it into the surfboards. Our focus has always been to produce quality product locally as efficiently as possible to make it as accessible to our customers as we can. To do that, we've had to invest heavily in machinery and equipment and innovate on top of those investments to make sure that we can produce product in the most timely fashion. One of the other machines that we use to make surfboards is a CNC machine which does all the cutting for us, and we cut all our flat components on that side of the machine, and then we built this sort of add-on which is an adjustable suction hold down rig which we use to suck the boards in place once they've got their curve, and we bring the spindle over and that does all the shaping for us. This machine has been a huge asset for us and continues to reduce the amount of time it takes for us to make the boards. Improvements that we've made to the machine have been essential for the success of our business. So we've spent a lot of time innovating and building machines to get the blanks to this stage. Having a cordless power tool solution for the finishing process feels like the final piece in the puzzle to really round out our whole production system.